Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your RAM, also known as memory, in Windows. Checking your RAM in Windows is useful as you're able to assess how much memory your computer or laptop has and understand if you're able to upgrade it to make your computer faster. Or maybe you're just curious to learn about the specs of your computer or laptop. To get started, click on the Windows search bar and type in System Information. Now click on the System Information Application search result. The System Information application will now display. From this application, you can easily see the operating system of your computer, the version, the manufacturer and model number, the processor, the RAM, and other useful information. As you can see, my computer has 32 gigabytes of installed physical memory, also known as RAM. And it's as simple as that. Finding out how much RAM your computer has is a simple task and can be performed in a matter of minutes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.